Having that empathetic connection with your employees and with your team is what defines you. And for me, how do I make that connection is through my passion for cooking. I am Ananta Vidyarthi from Chennai, like the southernmost part of India. My parents being engineers did shape my career, for sure. My mom was the first woman engineer in signaling and telecommunication. Currently, I lead the pickup platform controls. So if you see any of the Dodge Ram with the Cummins big C on it, that's what we've been working on. Leading a team of 24 people was nothing that I've done before. There were moments of challenges, but then once we started sharing ideas and sharing solutions, that's what bonded the team and myself together. For me, leadership is not about just hitting deliverables. I'm truly invested in them. And I make something so personalized for them that I just want them to feel valued and important to me and to the company. What I am grateful for are those people who are actually looking out for me and urged me to take that big jump into this leadership role. If anyone is hesitant, holding themselves back in their comfort zone and not stepping out, I would just encourage them to take that leap of faith. Even if one person is inspired, I think I've made progress.